Please join hands. She's one of the toughest women I've ever met. She's a very strong lady, and we were all jealous of her. Please give a round applause to my sister, Honorable Mheshimiwa Winnie Odinga.
I always forget salutations, but Your Excellency, dignitaries, fellow mourners, and all protocols observed. Good afternoon. Jotura, untie, Baba Nendo. Oyweyo ajigi ere ajigi okay. Huh? Bien acá. Give him a mic. Give him a mic.
Joey! Amolo Jo, Amolo Uruganda Jo, Amolo Jo, Ruta Jo, Wajumbe Jo, Agweyo Mogik, Nikech Amolo Kamora Moramane NTA. No luonga moda gwe atimo niero kamano Winnie kum timo gimitimo ni adwa ni moda gwe na molo Yugi dwaro ni moda yud sigara maber Nikech Amolo nohero sigwe ata dwaro sigwe maber sigwe mana kwongo gweyone Ramogi wugo ko biune wanile Kauje koneo makowirwa Yanye kula lago agwamu mono Raila kod wugo yoten mnale rawiara Joey Kegonea Amolo koko mar jonanga ruodhi Rabogi wugo ko biune wanele Kauje koneo makowirwa Yanye kula logo agwangu bono Raila kobuodho to en mnale rawiera Orao Moi Orao Kibaki Orao Uru Kawuono omiyowa broad-based government To Amolo mosnwa jodongo man malo mosnwa jodongo man malo. Piny osiko to ok sikie. Obi ajira ura chulo ka ugo kula bono diko nyusa kwata the head how much the money nyara kumkokote kwata jo kalwangni. Ajiki kodhi amo.
Jothurwa, ang'eyo ni un gi lit kendo un gi rem. Beduru mana gi kwe kende. Nyasaye biro miwa loch. Ji osebedo kawoyo marach ewi bondo ka. Wakuod wigi kendo wanyisgi ni bondo ka nigi sibor. They wrote for me a speech, but today I have nothing to say. I want to thank you all, and there are a few people here I would like to specifically thank. To the staff of Baba, led by George Okong Opondo, Mr. Andrew Mondo, thank you for your loyalty and support. To Dennis Onyango, Kete Onyango, Morris Ocheng, Jack Nyamburi, Florence Olang, Ibrahim Auma, Jeff Oyer, Emmanuel Wanson, and others, thank you. To the staff of East Africa Spectre, Joff, and all the other officers, thank you. To Washington, Martin, Victor, Rose, Jackie, David, Caleb, Steve, Joanne, Joyce, and others, thank you. And finally, to the late George Odwor, Eric Ominde, Juma, and my partner, Maurice Ogeta. On behalf of the Odinga family, thank you all for your love and service. Your Excellency, our people appreciate you honoring our father. Thank you for standing with us. You should also know, in case you are wondering, I'm ready to come back home, if you are wondering. To all the leaders we visited around the world, I will return personally to thank you. Thank you, Kenya. God bless you all. God bless the Republic. God bless Baba's legacy. Long, the king is dead, but long live the crown. Thank you.
Fellow monarchs, Joey, Jothurwa Joey.